Hey, Paul here with the Emergency Preparedness Network, giving you your daily update, right, to get you prepared for October 11th. That's when we're going to have our seminar on your family's disaster evacuation plan. So you're looking at the picture right behind me, right? Look at that picture, right? Do you want to be caught in that car with your family trying to get out because you waited too long? I said, can you imagine what your wife and your kids are thinking about what you are now because you put them in this position? You don't ever want to be that person or that dad, right? Trust me. So let's get you ready ahead of time. Let's stay alert. Let's watch the news. Let's get on the Watch Duty app and watch this stuff next time we get a wind of it. Turn your cars around. Make sure they're gassed up. Make sure they're ready. Pre-evacuate by loading up your vehicles early with your grab-and-go bags. Yeah, evacuate early. Don't wait to be told. Don't wait for your neighbor to tell you. Don't wait for your written invitation. If you even get a notice from the sheriffs or law enforcement or from the fire department, you need to leave. And if you think you need to leave, you should have probably already left an hour ago, right? So don't wait. Don't put yourself in that position that you see now. Right? Don't be packing up on the last minute, like right you see in the video behind us. If you're asked to get out, leave immediately, lock up your house, leave the lights on, move all the flammables away from the windows, and don't become the victim. Don't be that guy in that car running down the street because you know why? Everybody else waited, and now all the roads are blocked, and now the fire department cannot get up to your house or to your place, right, to help defend it. Leave early. Plan ahead of time. That's our message today. Come on back. We got more for you.